Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of low or no carb and low sugar foods. We'll explore how these nutritious options can transform your eating habits and support a healthier lifestyle. From delicious recipes to practical tips, you'll discover how easy it can be to enjoy satisfying meals without the extra carbs and sugars. Get ready to unlock a treasure trove of tasty, healthy choices that will keep you energized and feeling great. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement enables us to continue providing valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula, are excellent low-carb options rich in essential nutrients. These greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium, making them a powerhouse for your health. Incorporating them into your meals is easy. Try adding them to salads for a crunchy texture or blending them into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Embrace these greens for a vibrant, healthy diet. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are not only low in carbs, but also high in fiber, making them excellent choices for a healthy diet. These veggies are packed with vitamins C and K, along with powerful antioxidants that support overall health. To enjoy their benefits, consider cooking methods such as steaming or roasting, which enhance flavor while preserving nutrients. Incorporate these versatile vegetables into your meals for a nutritious boost. Avocado. Avocados are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with healthy fats and low in carbs, making them a perfect addition to any diet. Rich in monounsaturated fats, they support heart health and provide essential nutrients like potassium and fiber. You can easily incorporate avocados into salads or use them as a creamy spread. For a delicious treat, try avocado toast on low-carb bread. It's a satisfying and nutritious option that will keep you energized throughout the day. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious food, boasting a high protein content and a low-carb nature, making them an ideal choice for any meal. They can be prepared in numerous ways, including boiling, scrambling, or poaching, allowing for endless culinary creativity. Incorporating eggs into your breakfast can kickstart your day with energy, while they also make a fantastic addition to meal prep. Embrace the goodness of eggs for a satisfying and healthy diet. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are excellent low-carb options that offer numerous health benefits. Packed with healthy fats and protein, they provide sustained energy and support heart health. These nutrient-dense snacks can easily be enjoyed on their own or used as toppings for salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet is a simple way to boost nutrition and satisfy cravings. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are fantastic low-sugar, low-carb fruits that pack a flavorful punch. These delicious berries are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and support overall health. Their vibrant colors and natural sweetness make them a perfect addition to your meals. Consider adding them to yogurt or blending them into smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious treat. Enjoy the health benefits of berries while satisfying your sweet tooth. Fish and seafood. Incorporating fish and seafood into your diet provides numerous health benefits, particularly with low-carb options like salmon, shrimp, and sardines. These foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation, along with high-quality protein that keeps you feeling full. For delicious preparation, consider grilling or baking to enhance their natural flavors. Embrace the goodness of fish and seafood for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Meat and poultry. Exploring various types of meat, such as chicken, beef, and pork, reveals numerous benefits, especially for those seeking low-carb options. These protein-rich foods are not only satisfying but also incredibly versatile, making them suitable for a wide range of recipes. From grilled chicken salads to hearty beef stews, the possibilities are endless. Incorporating different meats into your meals can enhance flavor and nutrition, ensuring you enjoy a balanced and delicious diet every day. Cheese. Cheese is a delightful addition to a low-carb diet, with options such as cheddar, mozzarella, and feta offering both flavor and nutritional value. These cheeses are rich in calcium, which supports bone health, while also providing a satisfying taste that enhances various dishes. Incorporating cheese into salads adds creaminess and depth, making it a perfect snack on its own. Enjoy the versatility of cheese as you explore delicious low-carb meal options. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in healthy eating, known for its low-carb nature and rich content of healthy fats. This versatile oil is ideal for dressings, marinades, and cooking, as it adds flavor while promoting heart health. Extra virgin olive oil, in particular, offers the highest quality and maximum health benefits due to its minimal processing. Incorporating olive oil into your meals can enhance taste and nutrition, making it a must-have in your kitchen. Coconut products. Coconut products, such as coconut oil and unsweetened coconut flakes, are excellent low-carb options that offer numerous health benefits. Rich in healthy fats, particularly medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, they can boost energy and support metabolism. Their versatility in cooking makes them perfect for a variety of dishes. Consider using coconut oil for sautéing or adding unsweetened coconut flakes to baking and smoothies for a delicious tropical twist. Embrace the goodness of coconut in your meals. Zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable that shines in a low-carb diet, making it a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. Its mild flavor allows it to blend seamlessly into meals, and one popular method is spiralizing zucchini as a pasta substitute, creating a light and healthy alternative to traditional noodles. For added flavor, consider grilling or sautéing zucchini, which enhances its natural taste. Embrace this nutritious veggie for creative and satisfying meals. Cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is an excellent low-carb alternative to traditional rice, making it a popular choice for those seeking to reduce their carbohydrate intake. Its mild flavor and fluffy texture allow it to adapt to various cuisines, from Asian stir-fries to Mediterranean dishes. This versatile ingredient can be easily sautéed or steamed, making it a quick and healthy side dish. Try incorporating cauliflower rice into your meals for a nutritious and satisfying alternative. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a nutritious choice, known for its low sugar and high protein content, making it an ideal option for a healthy diet. Its creamy texture and tangy flavor make it perfect for smoothies or as a satisfying snack on its own. To maximize health benefits, opt for plain varieties to avoid added sugars, allowing you to enjoy their natural goodness. Incorporate Greek yogurt into your meals for a delicious and nutritious boost. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices are essential for enhancing flavor in your meals while being low in carbs, making them a perfect addition to any diet. Options like basil, cilantro, and turmeric not only add delicious taste, but also come with various health benefits. Using these flavorful ingredients allows you to elevate your dishes without relying on added sugars or unhealthy fats. Embrace the power of herbs and spices to create vibrant, nutritious meals. Nut butter. Nut butter, such as almond and peanut butter, is an excellent low-sugar option that offer numerous health benefits. Packed with healthy fats and protein, they provide sustained energy and help keep you feeling full. Their creamy texture and rich flavor make them perfect for adding to smoothies or spreading on whole grain toast. Incorporating nut butter into your diet is a delicious way to boost nutrition while enjoying a satisfying treat. In this video, we explored the benefits of incorporating low or no carb and low sugar foods into your diet. From nutrient-rich vegetables and healthy fats to delicious snacks and treats, these options can enhance your meals while supporting your health goals. We encourage you to experiment with these foods and discover new favorites. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share the video to help others on their journey to healthier eating.